Nini ho mutungiri wa baraka indeni ambungi Meru Zipporah Kinyao ringine kinyideti rwariero kwebelianga fana kaira mwangaza kitine rine ndiriri igiria ria tano bone nyuma ya wentu kwa oro kurekia yura eri rakoti edirete ndekirita murekera yonjuri gutonyera nakiro aria rweru rine nderu na maiti adato yarakawira kwidira akaringanida kwa nayo.
Nyuma ya koti nene ya Meru kurungika muswanda juena jwa kuingatanga bana kawira mwangaza gitine Zrainas Kasani akere kidhiri MCs bambunge ya Meru nangaba na mwangaza kirinjuri ncheke na igoro MC Zipporah Kinyao wijekene tazedikei udani MC wa koroto na nowe munini wa mutongiro baraba ingekere bunge ya Meru edhira kerita muswanda jo mbunge na ndekia gutegera bubwega muthenya jwa naru MC ojo kairene kire muswanda jonge ojwa kuingatanga bana mwangaza gitene juke ande kwa jore muswanda jwe tano alethirite akithitanga ngabana mwangaza na maiti ya jaja iti alamberere kuna katiba na mawatho jange iti arajairere kuagira gite kiongabana giteo na iti arajathato rere utumiri bobo bisi
count number 1
tukimurika iti alamberere kuna katiba na mawatho jange zendike inethirite akimurika kubutwa kwa bisa munene wa mbondi aruti ngugi bamwingi urane Virginia Kawira Miriti bunge ni kuria gutarakarite bambondi mwanya cha kaunti kurega kuingia mendekithe ja mbunge ya kaunti jalo kubuta bamwe ba mawaziri bawe na kubuta nene bambondi thatu cha kaunti baada batonyeria kaunti athara ya milioni 4
illegally revoking the appointment of CPA Virginia Kawira Miriti as the secretary stroke CEO of the Meru County Public Service Board without a vote of not less than 75% of all members of the county assembly, failing to appoint the chairpersons of the Meru County Revenue Board, Meru Microfinance Corporation, Meru Youth Service Board, and Meru County Investment and Development Corporation Board as required by the law, thus failing to operationalize the said bonds and or illegally appointing the said chairpersons without vetting and approval by the county assembly, refusing to implement the recommendations and all resolutions of the county assembly requiring the governor to 1A, to dismiss the county secretary, Dr. Kiambi Adero Tambora, and the chief of staff, Mr. Harrison Gatobu Nchambabede, from office for gross violation of the Constitution and other laws, illegally dismissing Dr. Ntwaiti, CEO of the County Revenue Board, Paul Mwaki, CEO of Rika Bond, Kenneth Kimathi Bae, Managing Director of the Meru Microfinance Corporation, and Joseph Kidure Mberia, CEO, MEWAS, a result of which the county government of Meru has been slapped with costs and damages amounting to 4 million by the Employment and Labor Relations Courts.
Kireti arajaire zendikeire kuanga bana mwangaza na girete githe kionga bana giteo ari morota gutumiria na kwairia mwingi kireke gina kira kiothi kia mutigaire Daniel Sniper
Deliberately and knowingly misleading the public by giving false information that a total of 86 million had been raised through the P-bill number 247 account number 0400 1639 17899 established after the murder of Daniel Muthiani alias Sniper, while the correct position is that only 286,516,1 was raised.
Na etiara jadato regio tumeri bobo ebobisi zendike yaruganga bana Mwangaza na rere mareja tebatere jamungana jwa chiringi milioni 70.3 kirima bisaba utungata bamwere kurea ritingo gembesa bari gote na wadho kuandika ritingo genkorokia kevimi na koreanto musara barero mande.
The irregular payment of emergency call allowances to 161 doctors and medical officers using the wrong rates, leading to excessive payment of 73,340,000 contrary to Section 45(2) and 46 of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act, use of manual payroll to pay personal emoluments amounting to 102.94 million, that is 3.1% of the personal emolument cost, employing a bloated workforce of at least 111 personal staff in the office of the governor, thus contributing to an increase in the wage bill by more than 500 million and an excessive wage bill that is 49% of the annual revenue allocation, far beyond the 35% remit that is set. Paying Kiambi Christus Manyara, a public communications officer in the office of the governor, is full salary and benefits while in remand, and despite being accused of murder.
Kuma mbunge ya Meru geshigo mbunge kya North-Imenti nke report rateto shawero rea kwa rieto ni mutuge kare.